Hi, I'm Yoni.
And I am Abbas, and we have been learning to cook at the Skokie Public Library through the Be the Chef program.
Today we are going to demonstrate different ways to cut cheese.
What do you think we were talking about?
There are about as many ways to cut cheese as there are types of cheeses.
Soft cheese, hard cheese, wheel of cheese, cheese wedge, cheese log, cheese whiz.
Not cheese whiz. Well, you get the idea. So today we are going to show you an easy way to slice and grate a semi-hard block of cheese like cheddar.
All you have to do is take your cheese knife and cut your block in half, then cut into thin slices. If you want to get fancy, you can cut your slices into triangles. And if you want to get really fancy, you can add a toothpick.
I'm going to show you how to grate your cheese. This is a handheld grater. Watch out for the teeth, they're sharp, and you don't want grated knuckles in your food. Take a nice big chunk of cheese and slide it against the grater using an up and down motion. Watch your fingers.
And that is how you cut cheese.
Thanks for watching and happy cooking.